So there is our shop, my daughter, and there is a piece which was a little bit broken. So you can see there is some kind of crash here. Yeah, there it is. It's deep enough and looks like bad damage. So now I will show you what should we do with that. We usually use a special kind of glue. In our country it calls Acfix. I saw it in Germany, the same kind of, maybe with little bit different name, but the same abilities. So go, don't hurry up. You see, we just take a glue and put it inside the holes to fill it, and use second component. It's just a catalysator to make the reaction quicker. As you can see, we filled the scratches layer by layer. This glue is quite hard, so when you finish this work, all will be okay. It will be even more durable than before, if you will do all right. So you see, my friend get out the less of the glue, because when it became hard, you will need to cut it off, cut the less of glue, if it will be. So don't hurry up and do it if you feel the holes exactly, but not too much. As you can see, the hole is almost filled. And as you can see, uh, the speed of these movements is very high, and you don't need to do a lot of job to repair and fix the crashes. So now, when we put enough glue inside the holes, even fill it total, uh, we can we should take out the extra glue from the top of armor by this kind of knife, or by another instrument if you have it, like a cutting machine, small one, I don't know. You just look what we do, and you can decide in which way to do it. I choose that way because it's the most simple way, and all of you should have this kind of knife in your home. So it's just preparation, and then after we cut the extra glue, we will use a sandpaper to make this piece of armor flat and good for painting.